What was once science fiction is now revolutionizing industries from healthcare to construction. But how does this fascinating technology actually work? Let's break it down. Every 3D printing project begins with a digital model. Engineers and designers use software to create a three-dimensional representation of the object they want to build. Once the design is ready, it's sliced into thousands of thin layers, like a loaf of bread. These slices are the instructions the printer follows. Most 3D printers use a process called fused deposition modeling, or FDM. It starts with a spool of filament, usually plastic, though it can also be metal, resin, or even chocolate. The filament is fed into an extruder, which heats it until it's molten, then pushes it through a fine nozzle. The printer follows the digital blueprint, laying down the material one thin layer at a time. As each layer cools, it hardens and fuses with the layer beneath it, slowly building up the object. But FDM isn't the only method. Stereolithography uses lasers to cure liquid resin into solid shapes, and powder-based printers fuse materials with a laser or binder. Each method has its strengths depending on the material and the object's purpose. Once the printing is complete, the object is often cleaned, polished, or even painted. The result? A fully realized tangible product created from nothing but raw materials and a digital design. 3D printing is transforming industries by making the impossible possible. Need a custom part for a machine? Print it. Want to build a house layer by layer? That's happening too. And in healthcare, doctors are using 3D printers to create implants and even replicate organs. Layer by layer, 3D printing is reshaping how we create, design, and innovate. It's not just about making things, it's about imagining a future where the possibilities are truly endless.